So hello Day, good morning, good evening everybody. So welcome back. Nandito na naman si Apple. So today's video magtatagalog tayo. So andito na naman kami nagbabalik. Biyaheng patropiko, charot. Bitaw uy. Today may business trip na naman si Ken at nandito na naman kami sa Indiana. Sa mga nagtataka dyan kung bakit nandito na naman kami sa Indiana, malaki kasi yung company ng Caterpillar at madami silang mga tools na ini-install dito at si Ken yung naka-assign. At saka yung may mga problem sila Ken yung tinatawagan magre-repair and everything. Ganun. So today, nakita nyo nagpa-party kami dyan kasi yung boss na Ken na Indiano naggaya sa amin ng dinner. Pero yung video na yan, nandyan kami sa baba ng aming hotel kasi meron silang pa free dinner and free breakfast and free drinks. Sa lahat ng mga hotel na inistihan namin, ito lang yung may free dinner at nagustuhan ni Ken yun. Lalo na sa free drinks kay palahubog man ni si Ja. So ayan na nga, kumakain kami at nagustuhan ko dyan bayard kasi tingnan nyo yung dinner namin. Meron silang rice at broccoli. I like the broccoli. Pati yung taste ng chicken na may gravy. Sarap yan, be. Yan na nga. Kumain lang kami ng light kasi pupunta kami ng Indian restaurant kasi nagaya nga yung boss niya. So, kumain lang kami dyan na maliit kasi sayang naman pag hindi namin kinain dyan, no? Libre. At ang tuyo talaga ni Ken dyan ay yung inom, yung drinks. Hindi man ako uminom sa kanya yung apat. Dalawang shot ng tequila at saka margarita. Tada! At nandito na nga kami sa Indian restaurant. Hindi ko nag-video, no? Kaya hindi ko binadyohan yung boss niya kasi kakahiya naman. Nagchika-chika sila dyan. So, yung boss niya, 30 years na nandito sa USA. Nagtratrabaho sa company nila. Umuwi kasi yung boss niya sa India for 1 month at kakabalik lang niya. So, ayun, chinika yung mga experience niya doon sa India and everything. At yung biyahe niya pabalik dito sa US na ang daming layover. So, pakinggan nyo na lang yung chika namin. Bye!
It was good. It was an experience. I don't want it anymore.
Like you eating balut.
Yeah, like me eating balut, the duck egg. It was an experience. I don't want it anymore.
No. Duck eggs.
You don't know about balut? So it's a Filipino delicacy.
Is it?
And it's a duck egg. And it's in the embryonic state. It's been fertilized, and it's starting to hatch for maybe 1 week. So it looks like a little duck.
Depends if you want 16 days, 17, 18.
Oh, 16, 17, 18 days. Depends on how fertilized you want it. So in that case, I didn't know that was a metric. How fertilized was the one I ate?
I think
like 18. Yeah, it was like pretty developed.
The moment you thought, you're like, oh no, I'm not touching it.
And I seen